This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. In the wake of COVID-19, we appeal to our listeners not to lower the guard, take all precautions, and all those above 45 years of age who have taken the first dose of COVID-19 vaccine to get vaccinated with the second dose at the scheduled time. Stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask. Maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing. Focus on hand and face hygiene. National helplines are operational for providing COVID-related information and guidance to the people. The national helpline number is 011-239-78046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma has decided to send 2 ministers to Aizawl to hold talks and try to resolve the boundary dispute with Mizoram on Thursday. He said that the 2 ministers, Atul Bora and Ashok Singhal, will be in Aizawl for a meaningful dialogue and maintained that Assam is committed to ensure peace on his border and pave the way for a peaceful northeast. The Mizoram government has withdrawn cases registered against Assam police personnel in connection with the July 26th violence that killed 5 policemen and a civilian. The Assam government has decided to withdraw cases against the neighbors' officers. A group of BJP MPs from 4 northeastern states met Prime Minister Narendra Modi yesterday over the recent skirmishes between Assam and Mizoram and alleged that foreign forces were fueling fire in the region. They also accused the opposition Congress of politicizing the sensitive issue. The BJP MPs said they were extremely pained by the violence that took place on the Assam-Mizoram border. In the memorandum to the Prime Minister, the BJP MPs said that they want to convey to all those elements who viewed the Assam-Mizoram issue as a means of spreading chaos in India that their shenanigans will not work. A committee on interstate boundary for West Khasi Hills district, which was constituted by the Meghalaya government recently, will visit the interstate border areas as part of the commitment of both Assam and Meghalaya to understand the ground reality of the areas before arriving at amicable solution. Meghalaya and Assam will hold another round of Chief Ministers level discussion at Guwahati on the 6th of this month. The committee for West Khasi Hills district is headed by PHE Minister Reniton Lingdo Tongkhar. The committee will visit some of the areas tomorrow. Mizoram Health Minister Dr. R. Lalthangleana said that the vehicles carrying medical equipment including life-saving drugs, COVID-19 test kits and oxygen cylinders stranded due to road blockade in Barak Valley in Assam imposed by several groups following the conflict on 26th of July over the interstate boundary dispute between Assam and Mizoram. Dr. Lalthangleana termed the blockade as very unfortunate and disheartening amid the pandemic situation. He said that this sort of inhuman act cannot be imagined even in the worst of wars. Dr. Lalthangleana wrote to the Union Home Minister Amit Shah urging him to intervene, as well as Union Health Minister and Assam's Health Minister Keshav Mahanta. He said that blockade has severely affected the availability of medicines for patients who are in critical condition. In his letter, Dr. Lalthangleana stated that the fundamental rights to life as guaranteed by the Constitution includes the right to basic health care and medicines, which has been denied due to these belligerent activities. The 8th session of the 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly will begin from today. The 2-day session will conclude on Thursday. Obituary references, laying of reports, presentation of Assembly Committee reports, introduction, consideration and passing of bills, and discussion on matters of urgent public importance are some of the matters to be taken up in this session. The Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE has released the exam schedule for Class 12 candidates who want to appear for the examinations to improve their scores. The exams will be conducted from 16th of this month to 15th September. In a statement, the CBSE said exams will also be conducted for students who were placed in the compartment category in the board results. Candidates appearing for improvement and appearing for compartment exams based on the results declared this year will have to register at the portal. The CBSE has declared the Class 12 results on the 30th of July based on the alternate assessment criteria. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.